Hey, what up guys? In this video, we're gonna talk about plugins. Now, because I switched to DaVinci Resolve a little bit too early on, maybe around 2016, back then, DaVinci Resolve is still a color grading software or application, you call it. There's not much of a editing feature on there yet, but fast forward 2025, now almost 2026. Since then, people have been making plugins for DaVinci Resolve, and today we're going to talk about one of them, and it's MotionVFX. So MotionVFX started making plugins and also templates for Premiere Pro and also Final Cut, but now they're starting to have a lot of plugins and templates for DaVinci Resolve. Don't worry, it's free. I'm gonna walk you guys through it, how to download them, how to install them, and if you have some missing fonts, I'll walk you guys through it, how to get them back. And yeah, let's get this video started. First step of getting the free plugins is go to the MotionVFX official website. And the first thing that we want to do is we want to create an account. Right here, I think if you have an account, it's going to be right here, sign up. It's very easy process. You can just use your Gmail. That's usually a very easy thing to do. Then after that, we want to go to DaVinci Resolve tab right here at the filter. We're going to drop it down and there is a free. You're going to tick that box and we got a lot of free plugins for our DaVinci Resolve. So the one that we want to look at is MHelloDV. We're going to click on it and then we're going to hit get it free. Okay, and when you hit get it free, it's gonna tell you it has to be added to the cart. Now we just go back to the cart and then go to checkout. I accept the condition and check out. MotionVFX is gonna prompt you to download the MLN installer, and this is where they provide all of their plugins in one place. We're gonna hit the M installer and get it for Windows, right? And we're gonna download them. I already have it downloaded. So the first time you run this MLN installer, is gonna prompt you to log in. All the plugins that you pay is going to be inside your account, and it's going to be a one-click install. This is showing the product that I bought. My product plugins, they also got templates and stock elements. So for you, MHelloDV is going to show up in your product right here, and all you need to do is just hit install. And MLN installer is going to install it right inside DaVinci Resolve folder. There's nothing else you need to do. They will install the plugins and also the font you need for the plugins. So inside the MLN installer, you can go to their store. At the top corner, you can also click the drop down menu and also click DaVinci Resolve. At the filter, you click it for drop down, and there is free and demo. You can just click it and it's gonna show you all the free stuff that they have. There's MHello 3D, which is free. There are some demo plugins right here. I haven't tried them yet, but those that highlight the pink are free and you can download them and install them inside yours. I'm sorry, that's me. You can download them and install them inside your DaVinci Resolve. Once you install the plugins, you just need to restart your DaVinci Resolve. And when you're in your DaVinci Resolve, you want to go to the Effects tab, and all you need to do is just find them. They're fairly easy to find. You can see it's already showing up here. But we can go to the toolbox here and see in the video transition, there is a MotionVFX. We can click on MotionVFX. You can see that there's a MHelloDV, and this is MHelloDV Zoom. And if you also install the Path Challenge plugins, these effects will also appear in your effects track. The MHelloDV Zoom, it is basically a spin zoom. You can hover your mouse over it and it will kind of give you a preview of what it's gonna look like once it's applied in your timeline. So I'm gonna click and drop them down into my timeline and let it render a little bit. Okay, now I can play back. So it's just an easy click and drop. There's no need for, copying and pasting. You just click and drop them into the timeline and we'll do all the stuff for you. But you can also click on the effects. More stuff that you can mess with inside the inspector tab. So we can open the tab up here and take a look at the duration, seconds, alignment, and also all the stuff that you can kind of tweak to your likings. That's it for the transition. We're going to close the tray and we're going to go to the title, and there's also a MotionVFX file. This is called file. So for HelloDV, there's more stuff right here that you can use. You can see that there you can put your logo in here. So let's put it down and have fun a little bit. So this one is my logo. This is very easy to use because MotionVFX is kind of really optimized for DaVinci Resolve already. You just need to go to the logo control, and then file name, you can just browse and pick a file that you want to use as your logo. So for example, let's find something for the logo. Let's go assets, YouTube play button. So that easy, it's already on there. And then we can just go here, title control, and then we can just put any title that you want. Maybe it is a YouTube channel, maybe it is a brand or something else. You are free to do whatever you want with this. And also the title, a very nice title that we can use. Let's remove this. This is a very nice title actually. Let's remove this transition, this fading title. I like this very much. So that's for the title. And let's go down to effects. There's also a MotionVFX for effects. And this one, I'm going to tell you this MHelloDV Loop. I do a lot of tutorial videos. So this effect is very useful for me. Let me show you a example. For effects, it is better used with a adjustment clip. I'll show you why just in a minute. I'm gonna add an adjustment clip right here. Pull the adjustment clip right down here. And we're gonna add that MHelloDV loop into our adjustment clip. So right away, you can see why it is very useful for me. So let's say I'm talking about color nodes. I can put this zoom right here in the color nodes. This tool is very easy to make emphasis on something. I am making a emphasis on the color node, and let's play back so you can see. I'm gonna build this for a while. And it just circles the thing that I want to emphasize. And this effect doesn't just circle the part that I want to emphasize, it also darken and blur the surroundings so the viewers can focus on what I'm trying to show them. So why the adjustment clip? So for example, right here, my talent's trying to look at her phone, and then I can just put the adjustment clip right here. So right now it is at this place. I can also down here to the drop down menu and apply fusion overlay, and I can click and drag them to the phone. And the adjustment clip, it just made it easy to adjust the timing of the effect. I want to start my DV loop right here. So I can just bring my adjustment clip here, and it's gonna zoom in. And after I'm done, I can just trim the adjustment clip down, and the DV loop is only gonna play for the duration of the adjustment clip. So this is one of many plugins that I found, which is free and useful and very high quality for DaVinci Resolve. So if you like this video, subscribe for more plugins like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.